Yes, how are you, Uganda? Yes, how are you, Uganda? I'm DM Swag of NKORE Media TV. I'm here with some little news. Yeah, sad one. Nkaheza Joseph, the one who made a helicopter, man-made car, man-made aeroplane, man-made pichi, man-made motorcycle, was attacked by thieves, and some of his things were destroyed. And according to him, Nkaheza is saying that people attacked him because he's a strong supporter of General MK. So that's the news right now. He's a man himself who made the man-made car that you see here in these pictures. Yeah, just check in and see. His house was attacked, glasses were broken. Yeah, so I'm DM Swagger of NKORE Media. Kindly subscribe and share our work to reach everywhere in the world. Nkaheza, I think you will recover your things and keep up, just keep doing the work. You never know. I think the thieves are going to be arrested, yeah, and they are going to be tracked, so just don't fear. Yeah, blessings. That's the news according to Nkaheza Joseph, the man himself. NKORE Media TV, subscribe. Let's make it together, people. Yes, muri Uganda mabare munonga gumana mureme kutuyita NKORE Media TV. Kandi mukutogeno gwamana munonga sama kora gutuyinde kandi agosase no kujango Nkaheza Joseph kandi go innovator wa mani munongo wakozire nyonyi akakore motoka akakore ibintu binji bamutahirire kandi babasakwana bashishe ibintu je babasakwana bashishe ibintu je abo kugira ngo ayino muntu nko wakwagira ngira abo bakora ngo tubakunda ningashibo tubakumuhagira konka tuzakunjira gacondoza je kankwereke bishano rebe uko imbirere DM Swagger subscribing NKORE Media nyika subscription ejo teke ngo twakwasaganye kintu twashiteka revu Western Uganda abanyankore mwe naho muri abanyaganda mwe naho muri abaganda bachi abagisu asrongazi bano basaku watching twataho subscribing kandi sharing umare no kwagira umweshongozi cyake bwemi ngo n'umweshongozi wa gospel kandi murunje munonga Massive Records kukora music yona muri mbarara wana ndakweshongora mwe talent yawaho no muchimazire munonga sariyo. Yes, muri Uganda mabare munonga gumana mureme kutuyita NKORE Media TV. Kandi mukutogeno gwamana munonga sama kora gutuyinde kandi agosase no kujango Nkaheza Joseph kandi go innovator wa mani munongo wakozire nyonyi akakore motoka akakore ibintu binji bamutahirire kandi babasakwana bashishe ibintu je babasakwana bashishe ibintu je abo kugira ngo ayino muntu nko wakwagira ngira abo bakora ngo tubakunda ningashibo tubakumuhagira konka tuzakunjira gacondoza je kankwereke bishano rebe uko imbirere DM Swagger subscribing NKORE Media nyika subscription ejo teke ngo twakwasaganye kintu twashiteka revu Western Uganda abanyankore mwe naho muri abanyaganda mwe naho muri abaganda bachi abagisu asrongazi bano basaku watching twataho subscribing kandi sharing umare no kwagira umweshongozi cyake bwemi ngo n'umweshongozi wa gospel kandi murunje munonga Massive Records kukora music yona muri mbarara wana ndakweshongora mwe talent yawaho no muchimazire munonga sariyote.
nina mani noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani nina mani noza kukakasa ngo nina mani